Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can disable edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So you have edge panels like this on both sides of your folding phone. Then turning them off, it's fairly simple. So start by opening the settings app, and in settings you want to scroll and select the option display. Under display, tap on edge panels. Then from here you should see this toggle. So you can use this toggle to disable or to turn off your edge panels. Alternatively, these instructions also apply when your phone has been folded. So navigate to the settings app, and then you can scroll and select display. Look for edge panels, tap on it, then tap on the toggle to turn them off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.